6 o'clock in the morning, and what's the one thing I find?
Cool atmosphere in the UK. Birds flying over, clouds coming in, and my sister's drunk shoe. Just gonna go ahead and, yep, that's where it belongs.
You may think I'm starting today's vlog in the morning, fresh and ready to go, but you may be mistaken. I want you to guess what time I'm starting this day at. You know, we went out last night, we got in at like 6 AM. What time did we possibly start the day? If you guess... Why would you do that? That was terrifying. Yeah, I'm starting the day at 7 PM. Oh, you actually destroyed the cake?
Yeah, I ripped the caps off.
And then what did you do when you ripped it off?
Did I eat it?
You put it in your mouth. I'm just gonna roll the clip.
Watch this.
Alice, did you used to eat a cat? Oh. Can I just say, I had 4 birthday cakes yesterday. So, how are you feeling then today?
Fresh as a daisy.
I'm alright now, me, seeing as though it is 7 PM. I actually feel pretty good. Apparently, my mum on the way home fell out the car, or fell in the car, and she smacked her head and cut her head open. As far as I'm aware, she is okay. So today, I managed to miss Carl playing cricket. I missed the England game, which they won, I think, 6-0, which is crazy. Probably, most importantly, I've missed an entire day of this beautiful weather. You know what? Worth it. I definitely needed that rest. So now is I'm going to get that vlog edited, uploaded, get Nando's, and drop it off. You all right, mate? Yeah. You saw? Ooh. See you in about half an hour, mate. Love you. I watched my reaction of me opening it. You did good, kids. Yes, you did good. Give me a fist bump. You did good, kid. Let's see your name.
No, you can't see anything. Not yet. It's there.
Oh, yeah, you can. It's swollen. Farewell, Auf Wiedersehen. Oh, all right then. You two are so alike because you did that in yesterday's vlog. Order Nando's, I'll pick it up. Sweet. Time to actually make something of this day. Oh my God, imagine if you drove off the edge. And time to get the vlog uploaded. I'm saying this now. I know the vlog's like an hour. Yesterday's vlog was an hour late, but do you know how happy it makes me? Knowing that now, if the vlog is late, it's like, oh, it might be late by like 10 minutes because it's only just finished rendering. Usually it would take me 2 hours to upload it. But now, it takes like 30 seconds. It's great.
Right. Ladies and gentlemen, let's rock and goddamn roll. What an absolutely gorgeous day for a ride. Look at this weather. It's absolutely beautiful. I'm loving it. What on earth? Oh, it's a tractor. Yes. Wow. Oh my God. Mate, this thing is a tank. Nando's, tin in my belly. I'm so hungry, I want my Nando's. I don't think I've actually eaten all day. And after a day of drinking, that's not exactly a good thing, so let's go find some food. This'll do. Thank you very much. I will take a full spot for a bike, thank you. I'm going to be that guy. I don't think this place has parking for motorbikes, so this will do. Ooh, la la. Are you okay down there, Syndicate original hat? You surviving? I saw a biker strap a hat to the back of his bike once, and I was like, that is absolutely genius, because I always get helmet hair, like, really bad. So get a hat, whip it on, nothing to worry about. That bike is just a beast. It's like nearly 9:30 at night, and it's still daytime. Got the Nando's in the bag, gave myself a free cheeky water to stay hydrated, because, as you can most likely tell, kind of struggling, but let's jump on this bad boy. Look at that tyre tread at the back. Oh my God, I never even noticed that. It's gorgeous. Let's head on to Alice's. Let's feast and enjoy some Nando's. Oh, she's a beauty. Can't can't wait to ride along these cobbles on a motorbike the entire way. This is about to suck ass flaps. I've got to ride along these cobbles for like 3 minutes. I'm being jolted around here like a mother trucker. Mate, riding on this road is chaos. It's like riding on marble. Oh my god, look at it. There's so much little like bits of grit and potholes. And it's like riding along a balancing beam covered in marbles. Oh my god. This road is disgusting. Beautiful, beautiful road. Like, don't get me wrong, it's gorgeous, but scary. This will be the last time I ever pull in to Alice and Carl's house. Because it's sold. They've done it. They've got rid of it. It's gone. Nando's delivery. Go away. Son of a bitch. These gloves are the worst things in the world. Major protection, but the liner comes out all the time. I legit just stink of Nando's. Knock, 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 knock. Oh my god. It's almost like you're moving out or something. Honey, I'm home. Oh, that need getting worse, Carl. Look at you. Nando's delivery for Carl. I can't believe this is the last time we're going to be up here. Your first house, isn't it? Have you done your like goodbye final meal in it yet and everything? Got him! Is that hit the spot? Oh my, me and Carl have got a sharing platter. Chicken thighs in it, bro. Oh, chicken thigh. Yeah. Oh, I forgot something. Nice. Did you really just do that, Alice? Mine and Carl's banquet, and you've dropped it on the floor. What the actual tits, Alice? Oh my god! What is wrong with you? Hungover food is the best kind of food. It's the best kind of food I love. It definitely looks better in a restaurant. Yeah. Because, like, look at that. Mate, these chips. What, Oh, Nando's is always tight on the peri salt. That time of the day, we have to rewatch last night. It's about to get messy. Joseph wants to do it.
No, Joseph. I want to do it.
One of the best birthday gifts I've ever had.
Oh, you guys.
Did it feel like a 35-minute vlog?
No.
It's crazy, isn't it? Like when it's actually so goddamn funny throughout.
Carl's face when you were getting in from that night out, you look like you'd been violated.
Did you feel like you've been violated?
Marty! On what planet?
What was your favourite moment out of that vlog?
A shoe that looks like a hedgehog.
Local community. No, that's just shoes.
Scrappy with you two.
You were actually strangling me.
Die, bitch!
Everything to do from start to finish from when we were at bowling is where it all went tits up.
Yeah,
like,
pretty much. What's your favourite thing about being living here? At night time. I was going to say when it's just chill, but there's a helicopter currently flying over.
In that field is like all the moo cows.
And you get to say hello to them and feed them.
Every summer they come and say hello. Look at it, it's dead nice.
You do live in a beautiful place. Like, to say this has been your first ever home.
Look at the house. 10 houses.
Yeah, 10 houses. I guess we're good to say now because it's gone. 10 houses. There's been, as you can tell, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 houses. Oh, like that, like this. Hello, cat. Hello, cat. That cat is just disappearing. Goodbye now. Do you reckon he's going to like his new home?
No, not like this. Look at him.
I kicks fuck out of all the cats on here. I was talking to her, I was like, oh, how's your dog, how's your cat, blah, blah. She went, yeah, the cat's fine, but Phil kicks fuck out of it.
Look
at him, he's just proper proud. Oh, you've got so much freedom here. I hope you like it. You can come to my house whenever you want. I've loved this house. It does feel like a true home. And I can't wait to see what you do with your next house. Seriously. Like my house, I love my house to pieces. I really do. But it never really feels like a home. My bedroom does because it's just cozy and comfy. But the rest of the house, it just doesn't get used. So it never feels like a home. Whereas this feels like a home and I love coming here. So
your home feels, your house feels like home to me.
Does it?
Yeah, I've got a wanky mushrooms.
Carl.
Whoa. Carl keeps that content coming. Whee! When you you get your new house, I'm going to rub my balls on your pillow.
Morning, I'm so gutted I missed this game today.
Oh my god, the speed!
Hit that out.
So, if I weren't hungover, I definitely would have been watching this game, but unfortunately, Carl had cricket today, which he won, which was great. But I tweeted it and everything, didn't I? Like, I tweeted when I was in LA, the one thing I want to do when I come back to England, like, the one thing I really want to do is spend a day with Carl and watch England play. Like, I never watch football, and I've been to City games with him, but I just want to watch England play with Carl. And if we would have watched this game together, this would have been the most intense game ever. He won 6-1. This would have been the most legendary game for us to watch.
That's
so sad. Thank you for my birthday present and an awesome day. Love you, buddy. See you when I'm back from France.
You will.
Oh yeah, when I'm back, you'll be in the new house.
Did you do a compilation of that entire journey home?
Oh, Alice wants someone to make like a montage of Alice's funniest moments yesterday. She's dying laughing at herself. Love you. Bye-bye.
Can't believe the liners came out of my gloves and I couldn't wear them. And now I'm just freezing cold, let alone not safe. I'm just freezing cold. Oh, what a beautiful ride home. I tell you what, when the weather's good, I'm definitely getting out on this bike more.
It really wouldn't be a birthday card off my dad unless it had a smiley face in it. Love you, buddy. And just like that, it is done. I edited the vlog. It's 1:30 in the morning right now. I'm extremely tired and I'm leaving to go to France in like 4 hours. But I wanted to make sure I got the vlog edited, uploaded for you guys, and I thought I'd do a little bit different, you know, like with the picture-in-picture reacting and stuff like that. So I tried to do a little bit different things with the vlog editing sort of style, and I kind of like it, to be honest. I hope you guys liked it as well, and if you enjoyed it, then, you know, let me know in the comments, leave a like rating, and I'll try to step up the sort of editing game. Like when I'm traveling and I've got, you know, like loads to do, then I can't really spend too much time on the edit. It's just a pure like natural vlog. But when I'm home back here, like it's super quick for me to render the video. It's super quick for me to upload it. So trying to just throw things in to like spice it up is like a fun little challenge for me. So I hope you guys like it.
1, 2, 3.
In the morning, guys. So I'm going to end today's vlog here. Honestly, thank you so much for all the birthday messages on like the past 2 videos. Absolutely filled with thousands of comments and thousands of tweets of people just saying, you know, happy birthday, wishing me all the best and all that. And I just can't thank you enough. So guys, thank you very much for all your love. Thank you for all your support. If you are new around here and you want to subscribe, then click that subscribe button. If you haven't even got a YouTube account, create a YouTube account, sign in, sign up. Click the subscribe button, it'll turn into a word saying subscribed. Then once that happens, make sure you click the little bell next to the subscribe button. It means you'll get all the notifications whenever I post a new video. And I will hopefully see you guys tomorrow at 6 PM for the next daily vlog. Now I'm going to throw this out here right now. I will be going to France and I am going to be staying in a chalet out there. Now, I have no idea what the internet speed's like at the chalet, so I'm going to try and get the videos uploaded overnight whilst I'm staying there. Hopefully it works. We've got no problems. I'm pretty sure I won't have any phone signal up there, so, you know, that's how tough it's going to be. I'm going to try my best to get the vlogs uploaded. I hope you guys understand. If they are extremely late, then, you know, I did really try. And there's going to be a lot of mountain biking, so all you people who love seeing the GoPro in action, you're going to see it in action. I'm going to be trying doing some whitewater rafting, maybe some paragliding and stuff like that. It's just going to be absolutely awesome. So I'll see you guys tomorrow for the next vlog. Make sure you follow me on Twitter, @ProSyndicate, on Instagram, @Syndicate. And until then, much love and adios.